California battles heavy flood, high winds, and rain. At least two people have died after California was hit with another storm that brought high force winds, heavy rain, and more floodings. Millions of people remain under floods watch as the 12th atmospheric rovers this season pummels the state. Over 125,000 customers are without power according to Us. California severe weather is expected to surprise on Wednesday with the forecast struggling the storms of headed in hands. On Tuesday, parts of the Pacific Coast heavy rains with coast dunes due to the flooding. The highest rainfall levels have to forecast in the San Francisco Bay areas where the National Weather Service recordings are much as 4.4 inches of rain in some regions. Part of the training falls on one of the strict crickets of Tuesday before collapsing under pressure of heavy rain. The San Francisco Chronicle reports and chunks of conscience fell down the rain-scored hills. Traffic delays from the damage are extended to last weeks or even months, officials said. In another part of the Bay Area, a man driving a square truck as well kills after high winds caused trees onto his vehicles, a local CBS affiliate reports. A train carrying 55 passengers crossed the Bay Area's collided with another around 3 hours. Brilliance, no one was injured. Coastal floods adversaries are in the fact sounds and